Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over my window coverings for my car camper. Some of them I made, some of them I bought, so let's go over those real quick. I'm going to show you the homemade curtains that I made for both the passenger side window and driver side window first. These are just blackout curtains that I got from Walmart. They were, I think, $6.97 for one panel. I used one panel to make both of the sides, and I have all these paper towels up here right now. They're not normally up there, but the reason why they're up there is because you wouldn't be able to see this whole curtain right now if I didn't put these paper towels up for a white contrast. I have a blackout curtain that's folded up underneath of the handheld for the passenger and driver side that keeps it up and out of the way so no one can see it when I'm driving. I have a small carabiner that I got from a 2-pack from Walmart for I think 97 cents. It's hooked to shock cord. The shock cord goes through a channel through the whole entire top of the curtain, and then it goes all the way back to a small mitten clip, and that's connected to where the garment hook would be. I just took that garment hook out. It's not a very good garment hook in the Scion, so I just took that out, put the little mitten clip in that hole. It holds sturdy, and then when I want to take it down, pull all these down so you can see what it looks like. There we go, it's all down. So now I just need to take this little loop of shock cord that I sewed on. I take it down to this little 3M hook that I attached. I did not want to use any Velcro, so I stuck with these 3M hooks. I just basically hook it on. I come back to the back side. I go underneath of the seat belt, and there you go. Then I do the same thing for the driver's side. I just pull it down, take my little loop, hook it into the hook, take my other loop, and hook it to that one. That's it, super easy. As for the windshield, I use one of these. I bought this at Target, and it folds out. It's 2 pieces. So now you can see the whole front is completely enclosed. Now we have these 2 little porthole windows on each side. Those were a real easy fix. Just went and got some poster board from Target or Walmart. I can't remember which one. And that's that. For the hatchback window, I haven't really came up with a great solution, but I found one of these at Walmart, and this is just gonna have to do for now. Cross guard. It goes on the outside of the car, which is why I kind of don't like it. Basically all it does is attach down to the bottom of your wheel or your wheel well, wherever it can fit. And then this is the final product. It covers all the back, and then I do have these black sun lines here, so you can't really see in that either. You can see this is the poster board. These are the blackout curtains. And mind you, none of my windows are tinted. There's the front. Another nice thing is I can still open my door, and if I need to open it more, I can just take it off the hook just like that, and I can get in. Shut it, grab my little hook and hook it down in there, and this is the inside. It seems light in here because I have my sunroof open. I figured it'd be better for the visual. 100% privacy for, I bet, $15, $20, and about $8, so about 40 bucks. I got complete privacy in my car. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.